dancing the zombie. Not mama. What?
Do you have the cup here? Just give me one cup.
Eh.
I'll need to go.
Only one cup or half.
Half, doctor?
Get scissors.
It's okay.
Scissors. No, don't give scissors.
With
Let
one
me cut
tea.
it.
black tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Breakfast. English breakfast. If I were you, do 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 do, do 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 do. Zombie. Zulpi damo.
My son used to draw zombies. I was the day. You know only zombies. I don't know about God. Let's do some drawing of. Hey, Dada.
Ay, puta.
No backward.
You crazy, no? Din, 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 din. Din, 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 din. Ate Winta. Manalkin?
La.
La.
I want to see baby.
Maybe she's coming, no? She's coming now. Din, 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 din. Did you ask?
I asked her. Even I don't have staff also. Both I searched. Let's see. I'll wait for the second round. Probably she can answer me in the second round.
Yeah. And a very special moment. You're off na today. Berto. First night.
Wala ako.
Saan ka nag-duty naman?
Hindi ako nung bago.
Sa rehab. You okay ba? In a very special moment. Di-di. Da-da. La 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 la. Da-da-da-da. Kala ko mag-ano ka. Yup-yup ka din. My heart is running.
What about the ball plan?
Were you
Give it.
not here? Good morning, Dubai. Tapos na naman ang UAE National Day. Wala man lang nangyari. Hey, Joe. Dun, dun, dun. La, la, la,
അത് ഓവറായി കേൾക്കുന്നു ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆகும் ಲೂಸ್ மாதிரி ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ
and make it
அப்படியே என்னமோ நம்மளுக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாத மாதிரி எனக்கு கேள்வி
Night duty pa din, guys.
தெரியல நான் தான் காஃபி போனேன்
Still night duty.
உனக்கு இது எப்படி இந்த பாட்டு
Night duty pa din.
பார்த்த மாதிரி அப்புறம் அழுது சட்டையெல்லாம் போட்டு போனா எப்படிலாம் சாப்பிட்டாரு இது கருப்பு மூஞ்சி கருப்பு சட்டை கருப்பு அது உனக்கு இதில் பார்த்தா எனக்கு பயன்படுது என்ன சரி பார்த்துச்சு பின்னாடி நிற்கிது போல
Hey, lo, 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 lo. Antok na.
சொல்லியா இப்பயாவது நின்றுச்சிங்கள
Ay, hindi pala ako nakapag-on.
எப்படி கொடுக்கணும் எப்படியே கொடுக்கணும் வேற யார் வேலை
Month of December. December na.
கஷ்டோட பேரு கூட கூடாதுடா
Susados ako. So, December na tayo.
دولة كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله much better.
زين؟
زين في زين الله who is sitting here?
Belt. Edelbert. Yeah.
This one he has a lot of money
Why?
because his ass make the chair warm. Yeah.
Sitting
He
there a
has a
lot.
lot of money. أقسم بالله this one will become I will take some.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, man. Wala naman akong nilay sa bilog. Number sa cylinder.
You have a lot of money, right? You have. Why you do? You know what?
Too big, too small.
Sitting on this chair, right? Yeah. You're asking the chair hot. It means you have a lot of money. Say the truth. You don't know them.
I'm a sheep in the Philippines.
He's holding his money in Philippines.
I'm a sheep. My father is a king.
Your mother is a king, not a president, no? Only king.
King.
King of Philippines.
King of the village.
You are making money lovely radio. I know. This is why you came to the back. You are rich already, but
Money goes for the salary of the life.
Laman ako anong ano. Bilis naman.
What about 1
Hello, happy Friday na. Good morning guys. Good morning Pilipinas.
anong bed bante?
Same.
11, 12?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20,
12, 14, 15, 16, tapos 20.
19, 20.
20.
Si 17 sana, kaya lang huwag niyo nang pasukin yan ta. Ayaw magpa-istorbo. Yalalalaya. Chin, 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 chin. You're not here by my guys. Remove na ako ng mga It's so easy. 'Cause you're not here. Hirap kasi para sa mga narsisa na may magtitiil tapos may hawak pang ano. Nahihirapan sila. Ooh, ay, Diyos ko Lord.
والله ما يتصور
Sawa Yonka. Yonka. هو اصلا التليفون ده مش منزله هو اصلا لا يا بنت انا ما عرفتش
Hey, Jun, do you want to sit? Inside? Okay. Ano nilalaro mo? Binta.
Oh, di ba? Na ang ginawa kay buhok niya. Di ba?
Talaga siya sa corona ko. First time ko pagka-corona.
Ganda man. Ganda.
Omicron na.
Corona.
Ako kasi hindi pwede ganyan ang buhok ko. May iksi dito eh.
bangs.
Oo. May mga
Maiksi
baby.
naman yung buhok ko, pero nakakaya naman.
May mga baby bang, may mga baby hair kasi ako.
Baby hair?
Mm.
Sabi naman ng mga baby hair. At sino ba yung mga...
Wala.
Ay, meron. Naglalay.
Mm.
Buang. Sana yung TikTok mo?
Pantanggal antok.
Galing.
Message mo ako sa TikTok.
Ha?
Message mo yung TikTok ko.
Kaya nga, sige na nga, yung sayaw mo. Na-practice mo eh.
Yung pinapaktis mo kanina.
Sige
Ayaw ko,
na.
naiya ako.
Paano? Nagtitiktok lang. Galing naman.
Kasi ate, kanina practice na eh.
Kanina siya ako eh.
Sige na.
Naiya ako eh.
Nakikita ko yung practice mo yun eh.
Nan,
Ano na natin,
kasama ka.
i-post mo na.
Kasama ka.
Nandito ako sa sa front mo, gano'n.
Sumama ka.
Oo naman,
Sa
nakamas
TikTok.
naman tayo, di ba?
Turuan mo kami, tingnan mo.
Oo, sige na.
Sinusundan ko lang sa TikTok.
Ano nga yun, te? Ang first step, gano'n. Gano'n. Oh, diba? Ay, diba? Gano'n. Ayan, gano'n. Gano'n Sige na, te.
Meron na ako, no?
Meron ka na pala. Kung
Inulit ko
naka-uniform para
Ayun,
iba naman.
may iba. Meron akong gusto yung budots.
Anong bulat? Sige, sige.
Ay, may yung sinayaw namin ng team building.
Ang dami mong
Yung
sayaw.
ever after.
Oo, yun. Oo, diba? Ang dami Yan.
Team building na kayo? Saan?
Nag-team building kami siya kabinuwag.
Kailan?
Sorry ha?
September ba yun?
Galing naman nakapag team building
Yung
na
alcam siya
kayo.
ko, wala pa. Sana yung bakla.
Sabi ko na sa inyo kung ate
Jerome?
Pati yung
Kami nga
Tupperware ko, wala
nag-organize
sa
ako tsaka si Carla.
Oo.
Actually, ako.
Galing naman
Katulong si
nakapag team building na kayo. Kami wala pa.
Wala, pagod ako nun.
Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa outfit niyo, gano'n.
Mm.
Parang,
Pero si best in the Paul.
Hmm.
Paul na cake.
cool.
Meron daw ulit kayo year end naman na.
Oo. Dapat sila na kasi sila naman nag-set. Tsaka off, bakasyon naman ng nagsischedule, di ba? So, siya na mag-decide.
Kami pag nag-year end kami sa labas. Kain sa labas.
Oo, dapat lang. Bakit dito sa loob? Hindi ba kayo?
Di ba yung mga staff din naman dito? Ay, mapapagod ka pa mag-organize. Punta ka dun sa labas. Eh.
Wala kasing budget.
Walang budget.
Siyempre,
lang,
yung
Mary
mga
Brown?
affordable lang naman yung pupuntahan nyo.
Mary Brown.
Yung year end namin nung nakaraan sa Sushi Nation.
Masarap.
69 doon, di ba? Magkano
89.
89.
Buffet.
Buffet. Masarap.
Masarap naman kung mga ganon. Kami sa
Madami
park
din.
lang kami.
Madami din naman ka
Kasi nila park eh.
park.
Pero kung ako gusto ko indoor.
Gusto ko nga manita-manito na lang.
Pwede din. Pero siguro, pag magpa-park, wala na bang limit ng tao sa park?
Hindi, nag-park na kami nung team building.
Ah, saan kayo?
Sa
Saan?
creek,
Sa creek.
di ba?
Sa park.
Oo. Tawang-tawa si boss eh.
Sino?
Nag-enjoy.
Sino?
Si Awado.
Oh.
Si Awado.
Ang dami niyang tawa.
Nagsayo man din siya. Sayo din siya.
Sumakit yung likod niya.
Oh, nag-paper dance. Sakali din siya.
Maganda.
Bata eh. Never mind.
Kami wala kaming ganyan din.
Bukas magkukulot ako. Dito sa likod na.
Kasi, ang dami mong puting buhok, no?
Oo,
Mas marami ka pa ang puting buhok kay ate.
Wala akong puting buhok.
Dito ako. Tay, sabi ko sa'yo. Siguro mga tatlo lang dito.
Puting ka?
Huwag lalong dadami yan.
Dati tatlo lang dito.
Dadami yan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Kinukuha ko naman yung puting buhok ko. Pero maliit lang kasi yung puting buhok ko. So, kinuha ko.
Lalong dadami yan.
Nung nagtrabaho ko dito, ayan. Promise, nung nagtrabaho ko dito, dumami siya.
Yung tatay ko ganyan eh. Kaya nung na-realize niya na kasi dumadami, lalo lang dumadami, hayaan nyo na, huwag nyo nang bunutin. Hintayin ko ng lahat pumuti o para
Para fashion.
passion.
Sino?
Tatay ko dati.
Pero parang lahi din namin kasi ate ko ang dami na din.
Oo. May inaata ko dun. Mag-practice na kayo. Para mamaya na. Ayan.
Gusto ko kumian sa to.
Palayasin yung mga tambay dyan mo. Hindi.
Yung mga...
Lalaki.
Kahit naman silang, di ba?
What to do.
Ay, dalawa.
Hindi yan. Pinapanood ko yan.
Sabi ako.
On po. The limit ko. Nga, wala akong hawak na cellphone.
Ako, buti nga hanggang po.
Sinika sila. Allocation, you will do, finish? I will update. That's it?
Yeah, I did suction.
Oh, pen. You want pen?
Saturation is still 93. She's a bit
It's a-
active. If we can come, maybe do
Oh.
deep suctioning and also if we can put her on oxygen. Saturation is 92. She's a bit tachypneic and saturation is 92. I did suction. But if you can come and do maybe deeper suction and also put her on oxygen. Yeah. No, we will do this first. Let's see. If not, then we can call the RMO. Can you come? Yeah. Okay, I'm here. Just look for me, Santoshi. Thank you. Bye. ஆரம்பிக்கலாம் ஸோ எதுக்கு ஆரம்பம் நம்ம முதல்ல செட்டில் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் ஆரம்பம் கூப்பிடுறோம்
No procedures, nothing to do. Friday, no procedures, nothing.
No procedures, nothing. Patya, Victor, Sheena,
Victor.
Victor,
Oh.
Sheena,
Oh.
Richard,
Where? Vanessa is there?
Vanessa also.
See?
All together.
Oh, mashallah. Richard is driving.
No, this is someone is driving. different
A
place.
video?
It's nice to keep the spaces.
Oh, sino yun? Ito yung sa Richard, yung ano namin dito, sino?
Tapos, ano siya?
US.
Tapos,
Yun. Sheena, senior namin dito dati. Si Vanessa. Kaibigan na sa Toshi.
Hmm?
They're friends.
I know. I miss them so much. Sheena, also here.
Ang dati,
I'm going in.
dito sila. Dito sila sa North. Nung umalis sila, yun na. Lahat ng mga bago nagpapasok. Nakakamiss. Ito yung sobrang yung leader na. Vanessa, maldita yan. Pero pag nakuha mo ugali, okay. Ha?
Hmm?
Si Vanessa, si Raulo.
Yeah.
Pero
Miss.
mabait.
I miss these people.
Pag nakuha mo yung ugali niya, ano lang talaga siya, prank ka siya. Pagka may mali ka talaga, sasabihin niya. Saka, kay si bata. So, she also will go US. It's too far, no? Mahmoud is there already
Mm.
in US?
Mm.
He went back to
He
was already being guard.
He did baby.
Only here? He did baby only Dubai? In Dubai?
No,
What?
he did this gender reveal.
Ah,
On YouTube, I will show you. He has a YouTube channel.
I know.
Yeah.
He showed me. Yeah, that is my... I suppose...
Gender reveal?
I will show you, ma.
They make baby only here in Dubai?
No, she's already going to deliver.
Really? But I saw
So
that.
I think.
What you mean? Gender reveal, no?
Nice place, huh? It's autumn.
It's in US.
What baby now?
Boyd, huh?
Boy, yeah.
This is in Ohio.
But his your wife is there? Or...
She's there. In Ohio.
Boy.
Yeah, but you fought with him. You fought with him one
Huh?
beginning.
Yeah, in the beginning, no, it's
After that, Karpan.
it's
All
crazy. Huh?
my beautiful flowers, my beautiful flowers. Crazy.
And he's so sweet at his last, very near to last his duty, no? He's giving chocolates.
Every night, every shift, I'm working with him. I'll get something. Chocolate, ice cream.
And I said, what happened to you? Why are you like that now? He told me if I sleep good, I'm okay. If I did not sleep good, don't talk to me like this.
Really, he said that.
Lot of travel vlog, like vlogs in Dubai.
Say,
He did.
yeah. Ibak, yeah.
He used to show me.
What happened?
Nice place, da.
So cute to see the place, no? Because of the wife, his wife only he can go there, no? She was there in America.
He is so dead, no? His family also there. But anyway.
I don't know why he came to Dubai for this midnight.
He have some relatives also in Iceland.
Oh, he has his family with him. He said, I asked him the same thing. Your wife is pregnant. What are you doing here? No, I have family also here. I just came for a change. But Kalas, I'm going back to her. She needs some this place. I say, yeah, she needs you go back.
Is he going to work there or?
He does different things there.
Yeah, not nursing.
He said I had my own like a business or something. I like to do that also. Six keep telling this British nurse.
I will not give to her back.
She messed up. She messed everything up because I'm giving him antibiotic 12 midnight until 1 a.m. They want to sleep.
Sure.
No delay ஆகும் 8 o'clock
8 p.m.
8 o'clock until 3
4 p.m. also he was still.
of course it's definitely your mistake even if nobody informed நீ போய் செக் பண்ண மாட்டியா சிஸ்டமே பார்க்கலையா until 3 o'clock ரெட் கலர்ல தான் ஷோ பண்ணுவேன் பளிச்சு எப்படிடா அது யார் வர நாளைக்கு
Kelly, Louis, crazy. Hard.
all these kind of 61
அது அதுக்கு மேல லூஸ்.
crazy crazy gimana kan tadi tadi she was here dah
Yeah, I know. ഞാൻ നമ്പി അവയിങ്ങനെ.
oh yeah crazy பார்த்தேன் yeah you delivered அப்பதான் எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது smile celesta small hi அப்பதான் oh yeah you delivered it's a boy I will go to 612 Vector. There is a machine kuya. Yeah.
Berto, si 603, hindi dinisconnect ko. Magto-toilet daw siya. Zero three.
Papareconnect yan.
ايوه يعني مثلا مش هبعت له ولا بس تعمل يقول لي ماله مش حاجه اسمها الكلام ده انا مش علم المستشفى ده ممكن عن ترانزيت اللبان لو حللنا له اللبان لقينا مثلا
Hey Jude. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Do 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 do. You make it better. Bakit?
Magiging ilang sumagal. Di ba kapapalit ng ano? Kapapalit ko ng
Mm-mm. Yung blanket? Baka naiputan niya. Baka naiitatay siya. Magpapareconnect din pati yun kasi dinisconnect ko. Kuya nga. Nataiipot siguro siya sa damit niya. Baka natataihan niya. You make it better, better, better. Better than October 30. 29. Tin, 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 tin. Rai Sing Sing. Rai Sung Sung. PS. Nag-toilet na siya.
Nasa toilet siya. Naiputan niya yung ano.
Mm.
Ang sarap. Walang jambi.
Namaya pa.
Pero dito hindi malamig. Doon po hindi malamig dito.
Minsan parang sobrang lamig ng AC.
Kasi hindi ako inaanto eh. Nilalaro ako.
Bahala, stress na. Hindi pa umuwi si Tanga. Pumunta si Berto doon. Hindi pa.
I'm just greeting you and then you're asking me what happened. So something must happen for me to say that. Shoot,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Ano te?
Carry lang, carry lang.
யார் வாங்குறீங்க? அப்துல் ரஹ்மான். கிடையாது அம்மாமா இது கொடுத்து
May magre-refill na ako. Kagamitan sa loob.
இருபத்தி ஒன்று பாபா எங்க போயிட்டாரா எந்த பாபா
Nantok si Berto.
வேற யாராவது இருக்காங்க ஒன் சிக்ஸ்
எப்படி கொடுத்து பாரு ஃப்ரேசி வந்துட்டு 180 இருக்கு 21 இருக்கு எல்லிடா எப்படி என்ன கொடுக்கணும்னு தெரியல ஏதாவது கொடுத்ததா அதோடா
சரி பார்ப்போம் ஆக்சுவலி இது எல்லாம் ஓகே
Like,
16 சரி பார்ப்போம் கேட்டீங்க
like the other lady before there, no?
இன்னும் வாட்ச் கொண்டு போகுது
என்னதான் ഞാൻ பண்ணுவேன் அதுக்கிட்ட 2-1 கொடுக்க முடியாது பிசி கொடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும் தெரியாது அந்த முனீரா வித் ஃபீவர் இது லூஸ் இது பிசி எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி இதுக்கிட்ட கூட யாராவது அவ்வளோதான் இது ஜி வீடு அது அதுக்கு மேலே வீடு ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு
Ano yan?
எவ்வளோ ஹெச்பி
Ano lang siya?
வரணும் எவ்வளோ தருமா
Pair, pair.
பேங்க் Welcome to
Totoo naman. Project ni ko. Parang Candy Crush pero hindi siya Candy Crush.
Repeat that for 78. Suppose suddenly hypotensive
Abot ako ng antok. Laki naman ng tiyan ko. Okay lang kasi maliit lang yung frame ng katawan mo. Ako laki ng frame ng yung hubog ba ng katawan ko. 06?
Meron 606.
patient please
Hey Jo.
size the verification.
Sipag naman yan si Hey Jo pupunta.
Sama din yun.
Ano kayang pampapayat mo?
Huwag kumain.
Pwede ba hindi kumain? Pag nasa bahay, okay lang ako. Pero pag alam mo, pag nandito ako, parang lagi akong gutom. Nasa bahay kasi, gigising ka. Anong oras na?
Ba't ganun? Ang dami natin. Pero, pag nag-off na tayo, araw tayo nakahiga. Na, parang, tapos parang kulang pa din yung off natin, no?
Hey, how many times I will say this you record and put it. You bless you.
Ang dami pa ng mga plastic doon. Nagtupi na ako kagabi. Hindi na ako magtupi ngayon. Kayo sa rehab, tinutupi niyo pa ba yung mga gown? Hindi na.
Apron?
Apron.
Oo. Mahilig din ako magtupi. Ang gagawin.
Ang dami pa akong stock doon. Ang dami pa kami stock. Pero dahil talaga nung kadamihan ng bedbound,
Oo.
walang panahon.
Wala.
Wala kami, nagkakaubusan talaga kami dyan. Kaya ginagawa namin yung apron. Yung isang buong isang pack. Ano na lang, bagsak na lang dyan.
At least medyo gumaan. Kasi dati makakapupulang tayo dito. Siguro isang oras lang na.
30 minutes nga lang. Papapera ko nga yung ilong ko.
Ako nga din pag gusto ko ilong. Kahit konti dito. Kasi iba talaga kapag yung point.
Ako gusto ko lang palitin yung butas.
Hindi ko talaga makalimutan din natin. Dalawang magkasunod ako ng kabisihan. Gusto ko talaga. Night pa yun ha? Night pa yun.
Dalawang night mo dito.
O, uso pa ako talaga.
Gusto mo pa ganito ng ilong. Oh. Ganda ko na siguro pag maganda ka. Pag maglit.
Naman pati ka nga.
Pag malit yung butas ang ilong ko. Ganda ko siguro.
Sa SM, alam ko meron.
SM sa
SM? Sa
Manila?
hindi kahit SM. Papaliit mo lang yun dito.
Oo, gusto ko lang palitin. Kasi lagi ako inaasar ng jowa ko. Kada akong gorilya. Tsaka visit ka. Iwalay na tayo. May asawa ka na. Kasal ka na.
May anak ko din ako.
Nandito.
Hindi, nasa Pilipinas yung anak ko.
Ang taon na.
10.
Medyo malaki na.
Kaya nung nagsa-OB ako, siyempre liwat ko natin yung pag ng baby.
Mm-mm.
Kaya hindi Nung nalipat ako sa Ogi, hindi muna ako nahawak ng bishop.
Mm.
Takot ako. Kasi dito, okay, nag-ibalibag mo, di ba? Pag
Mm.
ano, doon siyempre dapat
Dahan-dahan, oo.
Diyos ko po, tas
Malalambot pa ang
yung zero
buto.
days pa, yung
Mm-mm.
napabalik ko ang lalambot ang tuhod ko. Pero magaan naman, siyempre, wala ka naman mo.
Oo. Ako na-upload ako dyan dati. Ano lang. Sa nursery. Mag-feed.
Makolbe lang na.
Mm.
Pero hindi ako
Nico.
Sa Nico, grabe, pinakamasarap doon ako gagawin talaga. Aantokin ka.
Kaya, untukin ka lang.
Kaya pa ako na-upload sa ER.
Oo, lakad talaga.
Hindi pa ako na-float doon. Sa ICU, di pa ako na-float. Na-float ka na sa ICU.
Hindi.
Sa ER.
Hindi rin.
609.
Di pa man nagtawag, baka naliligo yun.
Lagyan niya ng patient siya.
Binigyan ni Donna.
Yung
Hindi, okay, wala na yan.
yung suot.
Can I just close my eyes here?
No.
Just wake me up in half an hour.
Half an hour?
No, I'm here. I don't think so can sleep also.
Yeah.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. I just want to close my eyes.
Admission, give to Santoshi, she will sleep.
Hi, Nana, good morning. Is that here? I think she heard. She's calling. Oh, I think the walls are shaking.
Yeah. I have quiver, but I need something. Oh my god. No, because of this. Okay.
She doesn't have fever, anything.
Louis is sick
Because
of.
before her
Colors gone.
secretion, before stuff like that, we better to tell them
I will tell them.
growing something.
Louis is sick of.
Adi, I'm not a sick of her, ko. She just came back from vacation and she's sick of.
Teka, pag nangangat-embede, ano yung sabihin? Hindi nagbababae yung ano.
Kailangan ipakamot.
Nagbababae yung ano.
Kalukuhan.
Ano. Siguro ko lang sa hilo dito.
Oo. May dumatang talaga na bigla na lang kakati-kati yung ating mga balat-balat, diba? I-check mo lahat. Na malaman mo kung magbababae.
Di ba sabi pag nabae, merong ano.
Kasabay lang yun sa atin sa matatanda, diba?
Because they also have VIP. We also have VIP. So they should try to arrange their own stuff.
Kaisa, who is related sa South Korea?
Ay, nagmagahan nga pala akong luso.
No one else?
Dito sa akin, utility nga ako.
Why no one can do it?
Diyan sa may drawer dyan. So let's, how many stuff we have? In the morning, 4?
Only 3.
Because less Chloe.
Yeah.
No, the thing is, now Louis called sick. I don't have any here for 617. I don't know.
Wala. Wala dyan.
Ay, kasi mag-iisa rin housekeeping. Pati singit, kati.
Wala to. Baka nakuha mo yung kati-kati ni Mama 619.
Sino nga 619?
Ay, hindi ka mo pala pumasok kanina. Ako malang ang nag-jambi doon.
No, we should take
May
those.
kati-kati siya. May
Ask them
kati-kati
to
lang.
find their own stuff. Then kayo will give to floor. Complain.
Who is here? Crisel. And all new staff, Ate Binta.
Maybe wala ka rin daw na. Same country na.
ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
போட்டு பாருங்க.
ಯಾರು
சும்மா போடு.
இந்த பரதேசி சும்மா சும்மா லீவ் போடும்.
ರಸ್ಕೋ ಬಂತ
Put message. Rasigo, please come. We need your help.
Mm-mm. Si Sister Louie Louie. Brother Louie Louie Louie.
03
Magpapaano na yan. Bertoy!
Pare.
05 natin. I'm not worried. I don't care.
I am home.
Let me tell you, I'm not coming back to you. Whatever happens, happens. Happens. How is anything for any of your patients?
Or just check this one.
So location should be.
See?
03 hemoglobin to do in the morning, still NPS. 614 peg on Sunday, nothing with this. 15 confused. 620, okay, no issues. It will be there for Friday.
Okay.
Or
All that hemoglobin. Maybe don't transfuse below 7.
Oh, yeah.
Bakit ka nagpalit? Dugo?
Parang mo siya, parang ink.
Marami?
Oo.
Sobra?
Hindi naman masyadong na. Ay, housekeeping. Dati.
Ang dapat?
No, the 610, 603. Okay, bye-bye na guys. Work mode na naman. Time to jambi-jambi na naman. Bye-bye.